Welcome and study with Tanzania Institute of Education.
The aim of this experiment is to investigate the effect of concentration on the rate of reaction between sodium thiosulfate and hydrochloric acid. Requirements: 6 beakers, 2 measuring cylinders, we have a stopwatch, white paper, blue pen, chemicals, 2 molar hydrochloric acid, 0.1 molar sodium thiosulfate, and distilled water. Label the beakers as follows: L, M, N, O, P, and Q. Take beaker L, measure 30 mils of sodium thiosulfate, pour it in beaker L, draw a mark, put this mark under beaker L. Take the acid, and measure 10 mils of 2 molar hydrochloric acid. Take sodium thiosulfate and measure 30 mils. Transfer this into beaker L. Take hydrochloric acid and measure 10 mils. Add 10 mils of 2 molar hydrochloric acid. At the same time, start the stopwatch. Look into the beaker and record the time when the mark disappears. The mark has disappeared. Record the time for the disappearance of the mark. The time is 63 seconds. Then record the time taken for the mark to disappear. Take beaker M, measure 25 milliliter of thiosulfate, sodium thiosulfate, transfer 25 mils of sodium thiosulfate in beaker M, measure 5 mils of distilled water, take 5 mils Take distilled water and measure 5 ml of distilled water. This is 5 ml. Transfer 5 ml of distilled water into beaker M. Then take hydrochloric acid and measure 10 ml of hydrochloric acid. Add 10 ml of hydrochloric acid into beaker M and immediately start the stopwatch. Look into the beaker to see the disappearance of the mark. And when the mark disappears, immediately stop the clock. The mark has disappeared, and the time taken for the disappearance of the mark is 81 seconds. Repeat the same procedure for beaker N, whereby in beaker N you will take 20 ml of sodium thiosulfate. You add 10 ml of distilled water. In beaker O, you will do the same as the table shows. You can use this data to plot the graph of volume of sodium thiosulfate against time taken for the mark to disappear. From this graph, as the volume of sodium thiosulfate decreases, the time taken for the mark to disappear increases. Reciprocal of time values are as indicated on the table. Again, when you plot the graph of the volume of sodium thiosulfate against reciprocal of time, the graph will look like this. That is a straight line. When you plot the graph of volume of sodium thiosulfate against the reciprocal of time, the graph will look like this, is a straight line. After the reactants are mixed, there is a time interval, and the precipitate of sulfur appears sharply. The time required for sulfur to appear is taken as a measure of the rate of the reaction. The rate of a chemical reaction increases by increasing the concentration of the reactants.
Let's study.